Hey everyone, welcome back. So today it's time to take off this set of nails I did for the holiday. Um, it was just something quick and simple. I was gonna attempt to do a whole set like this. This alone took me so long that I was like, you know what? Let's see if we could do with some dots. My attempt was to try to make some Christmas trees, but then I realized all too late that I didn't have an appropriate green. All I have is like neon green, so I just went with the red and did a little diamond star on top. One fell off, but I slammed that pretty hard. Anywho, so these are coming off. To do this set, I grabbed some of, I don't know, these are like mini micro crystal rhinestones here. Some people say call them pixie, was it pixie crystals or something like that? But I had a hard time trying to find these. I kept getting these, which are straight up just the sugar effect glitters. So I have one set here in white and black, but this is specifically what I wanted. I might try to incorporate both, but I for sure will use these. This little colorful set here came as a free gift from something else that I ordered, and I couldn't remember what. I thought I would try to incorporate it, but I don't think I want to do anything colorful. I think this time I actually just want to keep it mostly just all white. So we'll see how that goes. First I'm going to go off camera and just remove these, and I'll be back once I'm ready to get started with actually using these products on my nails. So for you, I'll be right back in a second. Alright, I'm back and here is the final look. The one thing I forgot to mention was that I used a nail brush, a pretty stiff nail brush, to just scrape off any excess glitter that got on the rest of my nail. But otherwise, this is how they turned out. Now this part that I'm showing you right here, I attempted to put a clear glossy top coat over that tip in the corner. And once I applied it, I immediately regretted it because I feel like the sugar glitter doesn't have the same light catching shine as the glitter does when you don't try to top coat it. So I've decided not to put a top coat at all. Which aside from the fact that it seems to easily pick up lint, it's, you know, it's not too bad to deal with. It's just a little texture, so it's not horrible. By the time I am doing the voiceover for this part, it's already been 2 days now that I've had it, so it's not that bad in dealing with the lint that it grabs. Oh, here's the brush now. I'm showing it to you now. So that's the brush that I use to, to get off any of the excess glitter. So as you can see, it does stick on perfectly fine with the top coat, and so do the micro crystals. I also brushed those again, just to make sure they were secure, because I wanted to make sure they weren't going to fall out. I am going to leave the links to these two products down below. I unfortunately didn't get to try the black glitter this time around, but the way the white glitter is performing, I don't see it being an issue. I'm kind of excited to get to the point where I can use it again. The cupcake liners, perfect choice for this. You can easily pour the excess glitter right back into the tub here. A little bit does stay back in the cupcake liner, but honestly, it seems like a small tub, but you get so much product in it. I did all my nails and still have it barely scratched the surface of this. Like, look, it's still full to the top. So I have no complaints at all with how much product you get for the price. I don't remember the exact price off the top of my head, but I really don't remember it being expensive at all. I don't think it was more than $10. So again, for the amount of product, definitely well worth it. My nails, I did do a matte top coat over the nude portion. However, when you see it up close, there's some streakiness in the matte top coat. I've used this before and I don't remember that happening, so I'm not exactly sure why it happened today. Yeah, I gotta figure that one out. So but I do still like the matte look with the little glitteriness and the crystals. I just need to figure out what went wrong this time. It had to be something I did, because this didn't happen the first time I used it. So I'm really not weirded out, I'm just like bugging out trying to figure out what that is. Anyway, nobody came here for that. So like I said earlier, I will leave the links for these products down below. As usual, they are not affiliate links. I do not have any affiliate links at all. This is just your in case you're interested in either one of these products. I will be making sure that you order the exact same ones I did, because these are the ones that I'm commenting on and that I'm recommending. Otherwise, if you have any further questions about the products that I use, please feel free to leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you haven't already, please comment, rate, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You will have an amazing rest of the week wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.